I know I might look like an idiot in these glasses, but they are so cool. I know my face is not really like built for these type of glasses, but okay guys, so we were supposed to go get the scooter, but it wasn't ready yet. So while we were waiting for the scooter to be ready, which is gonna be in like 1 hour, I wanted to take a minute to talk about, sorry my camera is like on this bench kind of falling. I wanted to take a minute to talk about like what me and Ellie were talking about yesterday while we were walking along the beach. That because I don't know, maybe if you guys have seen my previous videos, previous vlogs from London, Ellie was my roommate in London for like a year, and she went to the same uni as I did, but she was like 1 year below. And she decided, well, I don't know, like half a year ago when we were still in London, I'm like sweating because the weather here is so humid. It's not that hot, it's like 28 degrees, but it's so humid, and I don't know, like I'm just sweating doing nothing. Our university has like campuses all over, not all over the world, but like in 4 countries, and one of them is Mauritius, where I am right now. And like half a year ago we were talking about like, oh, how maybe she would go study for 1 year, the 3rd year to Mauritius, and then I could come visit for like 1 month and like stay with her. And you know, it was just like kind of like a dream, you know, like oh my god, like she would be 1 year in Mauritius and I would just come visit to Mauritius. Like I would have never thought that I would ever go to Mauritius, not when I'm 22, maybe when I would be maybe like 30 something, 40, I don't know, and loaded. But and actually now we're just like walking down the beach in Mauritius. We just like reminded ourselves that if you really want something and you go for it, like you are capable of doing anything you want. Like seriously, like half a year ago we would be in London dreaming like, oh, like we would be in Mauritius together, you know, she would be studying there and I would just come for a visit. But it was like a little bit, you know, unrealistic, but it was realistic because obviously we were here. But it's just so fascinating how when you then think back, like this time, like we're now actually in Mauritius. Like that's so crazy, and that just like reminds me of, seriously, like if you want to do something, just do it. So yeah, what I wanted to say is like anything is possible, and you're in charge of your reality. If you want to go to Mauritius, go to Mauritius. If you just want to achieve anything or want to go anywhere or just want to do anything, like you are able to do it. You're capable of doing it, and everything is possible. Everything is possible. Just don't doubt yourself, and yeah, you create your own reality basically, which I don't know, it's true. I'm living it now. We're here. This is the scooter. We are going to die. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, Ellie's ready. I don't know if I am ready. Okay guys, I also got a helmet. Ready? I don't know.
A tu si daj nohy.
Oh my god. A kde se tě mám držet takto?
Nedrž se mě, ale drž se toho vzadu.
Aha, dobré. OK. No, tak pomaličky. Ježiš. Oh my god. Eliška, pomalšie. Aha. Because we survived the ride to the gas station. So, but I mean, I need to breathe. Oh my god. Okay, fine. just did a little photo shoot here at this beautiful mountain, and we're still, I mean, like in like 4 hours it's gonna get dark and we are still not in our final destination, but we're gonna go there now. Oh my god, there's like a corpse of something. Finally arrived. I have a really bad headache from this helmet because I had my what do I have here? A fly. Really bad headache from this helmet because I had my pony here. But we're here. It was raining for a little bit, but it's all good now. So we're at the waterfalls right now, but there's obviously so many people who are taking pictures. Ta-da! Wow! We have seen the waterfalls and now we're gonna find the 7-colored earth, but I need to get my daily dose of tahini, so it's actually past 3 p.m. and I haven't eaten because I wasn't really hungry because my stomach was full of fear because obviously we were on the scooter. Woo! Oh wow, this view is even better. Oh my god. Tahini and waterfalls. What else? What else is there for happiness? Nothing. Our scooter is still here, so that's a good sign. So we've seen the waterfalls, which is called Chamarel Waterfalls, Chamarel, something like that. I have no idea. I actually really don't know. But this is the 7-colored earth, I'm pretty sure. So we have a little chill break here. I need to finish my tahini deliciousness. Look guys, these bananas are just so cute. They're so small and so cute. And we decided to go to the beach for a little bit because it's still warm. I mean, it's not actually that warm, but I wanted to say I really enjoyed the scooter ride. I've never ridden or driven a scooter or a motorbike, only once in Greece a couple of years ago, but that was only like 2 minutes, so that doesn't really count. This was like full-on 2-hour scooter ride. I really felt like freedom. Here in Mauritius, like the beaches, the sand is like seriously white, like seriously white, because sometimes when you go to different countries, like I don't know, I'm just gonna say Greece because I go there often, Greece or in Turkey, or maybe like, you know, other countries where they have sea and stuff, like beaches and stuff, they organize trips to like, oh, like go on this trip to a white sand beach and yada yada yada, but it's never like that kind of white sand. It's just like a little bit, but not really. But this sand here in Mauritius is white and so soft, and like I've never experienced this soft white sand. So I'm gonna finish the vlog now, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow, and maybe I'll try to drive the scooter tomorrow, but that's only maybe because like I'm such a panicky person and I panic, and that's dangerous. So hi. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video today, and I'll see you tomorrow.